Michael, Matt, back with you here at Security Solutions Offices. We want to kind of present to you a new product that has come out from Leviton on their switching side, which will help in the residential market. It's an automation piece. You know, as most of the homes out there are adding Alexa pieces or Google pieces to their homes, this will fit in there. It'll help you to automate your home. So I want to have Matt talk about it, where it kind of fits in, how it can help in a residential solution. So Matt?
Yeah, so obviously right now, there's a lot more time being spent at home, and we're, obviously having to be a lot more closer to our family. Obviously, if like me, I have kids and I always leave lights on and TVs on and stuff like that. So there's a lot of need for trying to automate control lights, make things more energy efficient, so we can save on utility bills, but also be convenient. So if my kids left the bathroom light on at midnight, I don't have to go back up and try and turn it back off for them. So Leviton, is what I refer to as the Swiss Army knife in this area, where they have so many different options, can really better your lives and simplify what you guys are trying to do at home. Part of that technology is part of their Wi-Fi solutions. So what they're able to provide are dimmer switches, relay switches for stuff like fans, ceiling fans or vent fans in your bathrooms, plug-in modules, so where we can take any receptacle and make the receptacle controllable with a plug-in switch. We can actually replace the receptacle with a controllable device, as well as have a now Alexa-enabled or Alexa built-in dimmer switch. These can be used for a lot of different things. So for example, what we have in front of us right now is a Wi-Fi dimmer switch. One of the great things about the Wi-Fi products is there is no hub required. So you are able to install this into any home with a wireless router, and there's no extra hardware required. There's also no monthly reoccurring fees for this. So this would simply connect to your app on your smartphone, and then you'd be able to control the devices and have them learned into your existing Wi-Fi network at home. These are great for appliances. If it's a secondary vacation home, you want to plug your refrigerator into it, or your heavy appliances and stuff like that, so they're not on the whole time when you're gone. Me personally, I use them a lot for holiday lighting. Think of Christmas lights, think of Halloween decorations, stuff like that, where we can control those lighting loads. I also use them for my kids. I have them on their TV, so during the school week, they are on a schedule, which is part of the features that we can do. They are turned off every night at a certain time, so they can't watch TV until the next morning. So there's a lot of convenience that we're able to provide.
So you get control of your house back, which is, I think, is the best thing.
Absolutely. My wife has the control, and I just supervise her.
There you go.
So we can put things on a schedule. We can put them on a macro, so we can automate the entire process. So whether you're home or away or whatever that may look like. So Leviton has done a really phenomenal job in making these products and making them super simplified. If Wi-Fi is not your poison, we do have options that are Z-Wave, Zigbee, Apple HomeKit compatible, and Bluetooth. So depending upon, yet again, that Swiss Army knife approach, we can really integrate to any product that you guys have out there that you're utilizing, whether it's a Honeywell 2 gig or whatever intrusion system, or you just want a standalone product, or it's an Apple product. We have something for every flavor that you guys want to look at.
I think the benefit for this is downstairs, when I don't have to walk downstairs at 11:30 at night to turn on lights that my kids didn't obviously turn on. So,
absolutely.
All right, Matt, and for myself and certainly for the viewers, give us an idea of what an end user is how they're going to be able to use this using their app, and what they're going to be able to dim using the light there.
So certainly. So what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to download the My Leviton app from the iOS or Android store. As you can see, I already have some devices on here for my personal home, as well as the device that's sitting in front of us. But it's a free download. There's no charge to that. Once the device is enrolled, it'll show up here on your panel. You'll be able to click that device and be able to turn it right on and off, right simply from your app. If you wanted to have a couple extra options as far as choosing the fade, like if you wanted to make it brighter or dimmer, you can adjust that very easily with a slider right there on the app.
So dimmer, on and off, and then from that app, you can do any type of scheduling. You mentioned a little earlier scheduling outlets, scheduling light bulbs. So certainly, at 6 o'clock, the lights can come on, and they can come on to 50%. All of that's done through the app, correct?
Yeah, so right here on the schedule side of the app, we can go through there and we can make specific times, or we can do relative time. So for an example is if you want the front door lights to come on maybe an hour after sunset every day, which is never going to be a fixed time, that's going to change throughout the year. So that way you don't have to keep track of it. You can sit here in programming and say, I want the front porch light to turn on at 50% an hour after sunset and turn off 3 hours before sunrise or whatever you want that to be. So the idea here is truly a touchless interface, so you don't have to do anything. Everything is completely automated for you.
Cool. This product and any of the products that we represent on our line card, they're available not only at Leviton.com, but also at SSIReps.com. So look up those websites. At the end of this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that anytime that we come out with some new content on a new product, you'll be the first to know about it. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.
One take. Boom.
Boom.